Is sustainability becoming more of an issue in business, digital, and IT strategy? The modern economy is defined by digital technology. As such, organizations must agree to a digital vision and strategy. Digital transformation is also a hugely important aspect of making organizations successful, though that doesn't mean transformation should be a goal in itself. So to answer the question, yes. It's important to remember that digital strategy exists to serve business strategy, and sustainability is a key part of this. An important task for an organization at the start of its sustainability journey is to ensure that its sustainability vision and strategy are fully integrated into, aligned with, and supportive of the business vision and strategy. And of course, it's also important to remember that although sustainability and digital strategies are often designed and published as separate documents, they are both integral to an organization's business strategy. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. If you are interested in free ITIL resources, click the link below in the description. Follow Good e-learning on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter for regular ITIL resources such as posters, articles, videos, and study guides.